sunset here. Just 5:20 here in Cuba. Looks like they're setting up for a beach party down here. This is the Paradisus Hotel, flying to Holguin, and let's do a little walking tour here. So these are all little love hearts. They're all over the place. And out here is there's an outer barrier reef which kind of protects the water, and there's a fair bit of actual coral in here. Let's walk over here. There's a so just turn around here. So this is the Paradisus Rio de Oro, Cuba. And we'll just do a little walk. We'll walk over to the bridge. And that is snow. Look at all the snow here. That's all snow. I'm just kidding. It's painted rock. So there's only one sort of pool here, and it's this one. Keep kind of walking around this way. But it's lovely because when you're at the pool, you can see the ocean, and there's a hot tub that doesn't have hot water. You can see how hilly it is. There's a hill way up there. Well, we'll just do a little walk around. Trying to avoid people here. And I'm going to walk over to the bridge, which is a very beautiful place. So this is one of the, this is the 24-hour restaurant here. We'll go this way. There's a volleyball game going on over here. Believe it or not, I was playing volleyball before. 2 games and my foot is killing me. But we'll walk over here towards the bridge. So here's the one of the restaurants. And we might catch a little bit of the sunset on the bridge. If I can find it. Where is the bridge? Oh, here it is. But you know, a lot of the Caribbean is very, very, you know, kind of flat, and this side of Cuba is very mountainous and hilly. And in fact, if you go up into the hills north of here, it's quite a nice view. Usually there's a security guard here. But I like the bridge because there's a view. Well, there's a security guard over here. They're always on their phones here now. What up? So here's the bridge. It looks like they repaired this bridge recently. It was in pretty bad shape there for a while. But there's a lot of wildlife in here. Birds, pelicans. There's some birds right there. Let's just stop here for a minute. Little kind of funny ducks. And let's look this way. And there is one of the hills here. Beautiful clouds, you know, with the purple. There are lots of birds here. Keep walking on the bridge. Sometimes it kind of stinks a little bit in here. But there's another resort on the other side of this bridge called the it's Luna de Mar. There's some kind of a duck. They heads kind of move weird though. And I think there's like fish in here because I've seen some local people with nets trying to catch fish in here. Long bridge. So these resorts in Cuba were shut down for 2 years because of COVID. And they're not really running at full capacity yet. But just listen to these sounds. It's like a little jungle. A mangrove. And in fact, I'll pan right here, and straight out there is the ocean where I started the video. But there's some noisy animals in here. Interesting sounds. So both these hotels are managed by Milia, which is a Spanish company. They're like joint ventures, but the Spanish run them. Obviously, with the Cubans. Just listen to the birds here, right? Sounds like a chicken or something. Someone's making a lot of noise up here. Very curious what this bird is. Honestly, I can't see them. So this is the other resort. It apparently is half open, but noisy birds. We'll just walk over, have a look at it. Even though they're run by the same company, they don't really like it when you go to the other resorts. There's one of those Chinese buses. Here's another one. So this is the other resort. So, Rio de Luna y Mars. And this is the side that's under renovation. lovely area here. Yeah, that's the video, and it's getting dark.